Wow, would you look at this wonderful frosty morning? So that's Deer Lake. It's cool. It's like 6 degrees right now. It's pretty warm. That's the very first time I've ever seen Deer Lake in my entire life. I'm just rolling around in my power chair and trying to go up this hill. The DJI Neo. So out of the box with just a iPhone, this drone isn't really great. It's not like an FPV, doesn't go really fast, doesn't maybe 5 meters an hour, something slow like that. It's good as a photography drone, like if you want to take a photo of something but you got a bunch of trees in the way, going up maybe about 15 feet above your head, get a nice photograph. I mean. I never noticed how cool that lake was before. See, like I said, there's like all these planes. So I gotta be really careful with drones. It's kind of why I like this drone so much, is because you can set limits on how high it can go, so it'll never go near anything. Like those trees right there, my drone can't even go that high with just an iPhone. Like it'll lose signal and then it gets stuck. I just like that in the mountains. Vancouver is like probably the best, my favorite place in the world. Better view of the lake. I'm not gonna win any awards with this video. This one was just for fun. I hope you enjoyed watching and have yourself a great day. Peace.